Cardiff, good afternoon, Qatari 323 with the descending 4,000 feet heading 244.
Qatari 323, Cardiff radar, very good afternoon to you. Expect us on this approach runway 30, turn left heading 230 degrees.
Okay, expecting ILS for runway 30, left turn heading 230, Qatari 323.
Qatari 323, and it's currently 20 miles from touchdown. Do you require a bit further?
No, we're happy on heading 230 to intercept, Qatari 323.
On the heading, report localizer, establish runway 30.
We'll code Qatari 323. And establish 30 miles, Qatari 323.
Qatari 323, thank you, range checks. Descend with the glide path, contact Cardiff Tower 133, decimal 1, cheerio.
Clear descent with the tower 133.1, good day, Qatari 323. Cardiff Tower, good afternoon, Qatari 323, 11.5 miles, establish runway 30.
Tower 323, Cardiff Tower, continue approach runway 30, surface winds 250 degrees at 7 knots.
We'll continue approach runway 30, Qatari 323.
Tower 33, tower information, helicopter operating just south of the 30 final approach VFR.
We have on TCAS, Qatari 323.
That's one tower.
Rock 1 at Foxtrot, be entering the Bravo taxiway to provide follow me for this aircraft.
That's one, roger. Next flight 2, the Qatari Airbus now 6 mile final.
Copy, new flight 2, looking.
Qatari 223, runway 30, clear to land, surface wind 260 degrees, 8 knots.
Clear to land, runway 30, Qatari 323.
Next flight 2, once the Airbus has landed, so you can follow him down the runway and the parallel track in your present position.
Once he's landed, you can follow parallel track, new flight 2. Cardiff Tower, Fire 1.
Fire 1 tower.
Roger Tower, once the aircraft's landed and he's taxiing up Bravo taxiway, just request permission for us to extend our booms and do the salute.
Fire 1, that's approved.
Roger, thank you Tower, Fire 1.
Golf Tilly Raymond, confirm you're squawking 3655, sir.
Confirm at 3655, Golf Kilo Romeo.
Sorry, 323, vacate right at Bravo, taxi down 7 follow me so you can follow them.
Vacate Bravo over, stand
Golf Tilly Raymond, Connor Snap on question contact Cardiff radar, frequency 119, decimal 15,
Cardiff, contact Cardiff 119.150, Golf Kilo Romeo. It's a 2-1, the Qatari jet has landed, like to enter on back track, flow back track.
Next flight 2, Cardiff Tower, that's approved.
New flight 2 entering runway